Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you a demo of how to run ShapeBlock on an EKS cluster. So ShapeBlock is a SaaS which will convert your Kubernetes cluster into a developer platform in like 5 minutes. So the prerequisite for this is you need to sign up for a free ShapeBlock account, and then you need to have an EKS cluster spun up. I have created one just a while back using Terraform, and I've set my kubeconfig to point at the cluster. So let's get started. When I log into ShapeBlock, I'm greeted with this welcome screen. I don't have any clusters imported so far. So I'm just going to import a cluster. Let's give this cluster a name. And then we have to paste the API server URL here. How do we get that? Once your kubeconfig is pointing to the cluster, you do your kubectl cluster-info. Then you copy this URL. This is a control plane URL, and then you paste it here, and then you hit next. The next thing you have to do is apply this YAML file, which will install the ShapeBlock operator, which acts as an agent between the SaaS and your cluster. So let's go ahead and do that. Paste this command. What this will do is install the ShapeBlock operator. So let's see whether that gets created. It's probably pulling the image from the registry. So once that is done, it'll start installing all the components required to have a fully functional cluster. You have the pod running now. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes. Yeah. We can see that the cluster setup is complete. So let's refresh the page. Now we are ready to roll. Try it out yourself. Go log into ShapeBlock and then spin up an EKS cluster and deploy your applications.